Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video is teeny tiny. I did a quick sketch of daisies under a tree with a rock, and I wanted to show you how I did that in pencil, followed by pen, and then with watercolor pencils. Here's my pencil sketch. I did it on, just a moment, let me check this. 140-pound watercolor paper, which I tore the edges of. So it's very roughly decolored edge paper, which I then put in my journal. I find it a good way to store my little sketches. After I'd done the sketch, I went over it in pen. I use Micron black pigment micro pen, and it's water resistant. Having finished with the pen, I then go over it with watercolor pencils. Here you see it just as I finished with the watercolor pencils. I haven't yet added water to it, and I've left the daisies themselves blank white paper. They'll stand out as my daisies that way. If I put any color on there, they'll lose their daisiness. That's how I think of it. Then I use a brush and water, plain water, nothing else, and fill in the entire thing, and it looks pretty much like a watercolor, like I've used regular watercolor at this point, but that's not the end of it. So after I've finished and the paper is dried, I take a good look and see where I can add more detail, little bits of grass, flakes on the tree trunk, just tidying up around with the pen, just adding a little more detail here and there, a leaf, a twig, something like that, a blade of grass, just to make it a little bit more detailed. And then it's finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's very short today. I'm a bit busy, to be honest. And please like if you did like it, and subscribe if you can do that. That helps the algorithm find my channel, and I'm very grateful to all of you who've already done that. Thank you very much. And I'll see you next time with a proper painting.